Be live now. I don't know. Let's check on here. Oh yeah, I'm actually live. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna start to share the link. Let's see. Yeah, also got the email. Okay, it's fine. I'm live. Yeah. Let's move this here. Let's see. Okay. Can I get the link from this? Content. Got link. Okay. Let me change background. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start to share. Do this here. Yeah. I'm gonna start to share the link on some Discords, starting with mine. Why? Okay, this one. Let's see, OBS. No, OBS is fine. What I want is the. Okay, checking stuff here on YouTube. It's fine. Yeah, let's go on social media. Let's see. Yeah, I can share the link. Doing a stream. Yeah. I was hoping. Oh wow, that was quick. I was hoping in some preview, but nope. Doesn't matter. Okay, maybe here. Okay. Better. Okay. And then there's Facebook. I don't really use it, but I do have a page, so I might dump the link here as well. Overview. Oh yeah, nice. Well, no, it's not really an event. Just post. Okay. Can close these. Let's check. Okay, that's just a like. Okay, I share on few servers on Discord and social media. I think I can start. What I'm gonna do today, let me move this here back. Okay, here it is. What I'm gonna do today, well, what I'm gonna try to do, because I'm not sure if I can finish everything by this morning, but what I'm gonna do is implementing this dialog. It's a new dialog for units. Basically, at the end, I want to get something like this. This is an initial design, first iteration. So for now, I'm gonna do these, and eventually it will evolve into something else. But this is the current design. So yeah, so what I have like is this stuff, like all these elements, graphic elements here. They are they part of a texture map here, texture atlas. And I already started working on this before starting the stream, so I was kind of in the middle of loading the image and setting up the texture map. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, this is the first element, 0, 0, that's 180. 375. What I'm doing now basically is creating all the elements in the texture map in code. Then it's 180, 120, and 375. And then the last element. Yeah, the background is is divided in 3 elements, because basically the left and right are fixed, and then there are slots that can grow, so you can add more and have multiple elements. Okay, this was 300, and nothing exciting going on here, but someone has to do it, and that someone is me. So okay. Okay, these are the buttons, the different states for the buttons, I believe is the next thing. Yeah, I've done the background, build button. Okay. So the five elements for the buttons, and they actually delete these. They're all the same size, so I can write it once. And copy that. Okay, so we're starting at 310. 310 and 426. 6. It's gonna be 310. This is gonna be 310. It's gonna be 426. Then it's gonna be 0, 0, 41, 41, and the last one is 82, of course. Okay, so with background, the buttons, now the panels. Panel headers is this one. Okay, these 310, 1, 2, 3, 310, 1, 2, 3, 150 by 180, right? Yeah. Okay, second one. Yeah, second one is unit. Second one is 460, 82, 460, 82. Uh, 460, 82, 10, 10, no, 110 by 100. And then the last one is 460, 182. Oh wait, 460, no, not 60. And then is 110, 180. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, they're same high. Okay, these are done. Now the three icons. Three icons are the bar item. Okay, here it is. 310, 303, 4 and 12. And then, oh, this other one. 14, 3. Huh. This should become 7. Maybe 8. Yeah, well, I'll make it an 8. Okay, this is 8. Didn't realize it wasn't. Full width. Okay. I have to. Oh well. I'll fix that later. Okay. So this one. Oh, for the people who join now, what I'm doing is basically these dialog. It's a new dialog for creating units. It's a first iteration, first version. But yeah, that's what's gonna be in game for now. Then eventually I will improve it later. Okay, so back to the code. Okay, second was 314, 303, 8, and 14. And then the last element is 322, 303. Oh, come on. 11 and 12. Okay. Let me group all these together. delete these. Yeah, this is an Inkscape file I use for tracking my graphics, keeping them together. And also I have to fix these two. This one is an 8 now, and this one is 11. Okay, we're done. We're done with the graphics. We're done with the loading. Let's see. Yeah, it's loading. It's not crashing. Okay, good. Okay, now it's time. Okay, I have to delete the. Oh, I have to delete these comment stuff here we don't need. Let's see. Now I have to create the actual dialog. Let me clear this first. No. It's source widgets. Okay. Dialog new unit h and .cpp. Okay, then let's add it to the CMake file. Dialog units h cpp. I know that technically the cpp file should come before the .h because of the alphabetical order, but this is a rare exception where I don't follow alphabetical order. I just go for header and then implementation. Oh well, it's my thing. I know what others do. Probably they don't care. Okay. Dialog. Here it is. Okay, let me copy. Yeah, let me copy something from another object. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. I'm not gonna need that. Namespace. Okay. Let me close the window a second. This is getting colder. Not a nice day here today. Okay. It's been raining since last night. Well, yesterday was raining as well, but anyway, this is dialog unit. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I want a parent. Well, actually, a parent is always going to be null, so no need to pass that. Let's see, what do I need? What do I need? Okay, well, I'll start to create something simple, and then I will add things along the way. I will need topic Okay. Panel. Let me see here. Okay. Copy these. Let's move to the CPP file. Dialog. New unit. CPP. Here it is. Yeah, actually, let me write the full relative file. Okay. So what I want is these. And I don't want these. Okay. So panel detections. Yeah, I don't really need to do anything with the. Oh wait, I forgot to narrate it from the widget. Let's go widgets. Yeah, makes more sense. Okay, yeah, that's good. So let's see. Am I actually used to Nah, I'd rather go low level. Yeah. Yeah, I have to go low level a little with this. Basically, I have to handle. I was wondering if it would make sense to use some GUI image instead of the low level image, but no, it doesn't. So, yeah. What I need now is, okay, I don't need these for now. Let's see. I need to load the images. Okay, but I want something using the, yeah, here it is. I need these basically. Okay, so I need image, texture manager. I would probably need a camera as well. Okay, let me copy all these and then I'll delete stuff. Let's see, where was I? New, not dialog, new. Here it is. Okay, I need these and these. Okay, so going back to, yeah, the action button. Okay, I'm gonna start to create the background of the left and right side. Okay, I will need this later. I don't need these. Background. Okay. was copying from these. Yeah, okay, here it is. And icon is, yeah, it's an image. Okay. Okay, yeah, makes sense. So I'm gonna start by creating the images here. It's a dummy image, basically. Okay, I need to add the destructor to header file here. Okay. What else? Right. I need left texture, get sprite, and the sprite is game UI data. Okay, I need a file, and then I need this ID. Then for the right part, I need same but different ID. Okay. And I need let's see, I need to implement yeah, I need to implement an render function. And also handling when the position changes, because otherwise the graphic elements are not going to follow the dialog. Okay, let's go back here. I also need to set the size. Well, I set the size of the widget, because otherwise it's gonna be an empty one. Okay, width. Okay, and for the height, they all the same. Yeah, correct. Okay, I can get any for the height. Okay, and then set size WH. This for now is the size of the widget. Oh, I also need to register these two graphic elements. That's something that's needed for the camera. Yeah, well, I'm not using these. I can delete it. Okay, let's implement something else. What's left? The handle. Okay. Well, the left position is always 0, 0, so I don't really need to change that. Oh, no, actually, I need to set that anyway. Yeah. Handle position change. Let's see how I'm getting the. Okay. Okay, so first thing I no? Why are you complaining? Oh, well, it's doing nothing anyway. Okay. Yeah. So let's see, int lmx. Okay, the left part is always going to be the position of. It's always going to define the position of the widget, and the right part. Well, for now, it's going to be x plus the width of these, and y is going to be the same. lmx. Okay, this makes sense. Okay, let's see. Let's try to create this dialog in the screen game. Screen game, create UI. Well, first I need to add these to the widgets. Dialog new unit. Okay, and here where I create the UI. Okay, basically I want to create the dialog set up button function. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna destroy your handle that. Oh, I forgot the X, damn it. Okay, I forgot these. This little element here, which is 10 by 8. gonna add here. Oh, come on. So here it is. Okay, so we have one more element to handle. Well, first I need to export file. Export, replace. Okay, good. Then I need to run CMake, so the files are copied. Okay. And what else? Oh yeah, I need to add the ID. One these. I need to add the ID of these other icon. Close. Yeah, that's fine. And this is in low init sprites. Okay, there it is. Okay, one more element here, which is this is gonna be okay. This is gonna be this is 11. So oh yeah, well I had it there actually. It's gonna be 333 because we're moving by 11, and it's gonna be same Y, and then it's gonna be 10 by 8. Okay. Okay, we have this other element. And what can we do now? Okay, create UI. Unit base action. Okay, I'm gonna comment this out for now. Well, actually, this is gonna stay, but dialog new units. Panel object actions. Okay. I want to be X, Y. For now, I'm gonna do something simple. I'm gonna place it. I'm gonna place it just above the button. Well, let's see how it goes. Okay, well, let's do this properly. X. Let's see. Okay. Okay, POSX is going to be for now. I'm going to use these. Yeah, I believe I don't need to do anything else. Oh, wow. Uh, that looks bad. What's this? Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a screenshot because right now is the candidate for the bug of the month. Current screen, no, active window. Okay. Let's see. Today is the okay. Why is that happening? What did I do? No, file is fine. Let me check. Why? UI. Let's see. No, that's fine. I didn't touch anything with images, so must be a problem in code. Panel. Okay, let's try to revert these for a second. Ah, well, so it wasn't that. Okay, I guess I messed something. The UI data, maybe? Oh, wait. I think I know where the problem is. And it's screen game. At the end of in sprite. Yeah. Yeah, basically I use these coordinates, these texture elements for the object action buttons. So that's the problem. Okay, these should fix it. It's never easy, never simple. Okay, cool. I have the buttons, so yeah, this is working now, all good. Okay, crisis averted. We can go back to create the dialog. And that was, okay, which is just a test now anyway. Okay, is it gonna crash? Let's see. Huh, no, it's fine. Actually, do I want to keep the buttons or on or not? Well, probably yes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, what would you do? Because right now, okay, let me exit from these. Right now, when you click like this button, basically the base is going to be deselected and this button is going to disappear, and then you're going to get the dialog. Well, this is going to be the dialog at some point, but maybe it's better to keep everything on, at least for now. Yeah, let me try that. Okay, I'm not going to clear the selection, and also let's see, this should be enough to keep the button on, I believe. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I believe it's better. It's more like my design here. This is a initial mockup. So yeah, I mean, for now I'm gonna keep things like they are, and yeah, well, that's good. X. Oh yeah, that's wrong, and that's why the position wasn't right. Okay, yeah, better. Definitely better. Okay, now okay, how to handle this dialog? Yes, to belong to something. Let's see. Well, I don't necessarily need to destroy it. I just need to hide it. Well, let me start to... Okay, I'll think about that later. It's not important now. I'm gonna start to add a slot. Yeah, that's more important now. Slot. So I'm gonna do this. Maybe I can create an object. Let's see. Ideally, what I want is... Yeah, I mean, I need an object for sure, because every slot is like all these. So yeah, it's gonna be like a button. It's gonna be like these elements here, and it's gonna be these. So yeah, that's too much stuff to handle in the dialog class. Okay, so I have to create a new object and save these. Save these. Oh, now keep that commented out. Let's see. Go back to source. Come on. Okay. Slots. Dialog the units. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to CMake. RS. And the CPP file. Okay, good. So now here it is. Okay, let me copy these. I want to rename these to slot. It's all okay, that's fine. And then it's going to be something similar for the CPP file. Yeah. So I'm going to copy all this stuff. I'm going to replay it all again. Okay, it's going to be background. I love the sprite maps, are so easy to use. Yeah, I was thinking now basically I'm gonna mix a bit of stuff, but oh, it's okay. In the dialog, but let's see how things come. Okay, we have a slot in here. Let's see. Well, actually, I might change the code in the dialog to use a GUI image. So I'm gonna interact only with GUI elements. But anyway, let's start with these. Dialog, new unit. Okay, here it is. I want a vector. And then it's gonna be vector. Slots. Okay, these are going to be the slots. Now this function is going to create slots dialog new unit. So let's see. I'm gonna create a new slot in here. Oh, in this case, I need to pass the parent. Okay, yeah, I need a pointer to the parent because the slots are gonna be children of the dialog. Widget parent no. Oh. I guess I changed the wrong header. Yeah, it was pretty random. Okay. Let's go back there. Okay, it should be fixed now. Okay, sounds good. Let's see. Slot dialog new unit. This is just a background for now. Slot dialog new unit. Yeah, I need a dialog. And parent is going to be these. Well, I'm sure I can do. I know I don't need a pointer. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna create a slot object directly into the vector with emplaceback. What's your problem? Oh, right, because that's the point. No, I cannot do it. Well, never mind. Of course, I can use emplaceback that way only with an actual object, not a pointer to an object. Makes sense. Let's see. Okay, we have these. Now we need a function to void reposition elements, something like that. Well, actually, I can spare this function. I can call directly handle position change. And then I'm going to change this code here. Let me add some comments. Left, right, and then the slots. Okay, so I'm gonna add all the slots for want you to position all the slots. Let's see, slot is gonna set position, and that's gonna be lm x and y, and then lmx is gonna be, I'm gonna add the width of the slot. Yeah, this should do it. Compiles fine. So let's try. Let's try this. No, I don't want to update Qt Creator right now. In the middle of something. Screen game. Here it is. Okay, Dialog and unit slot. Okay, in theory this should work, but let's see. Oh, kind of. It's not really working. Oh, I guess I forgot. Yeah, I believe I forgot the render. No, actually, I didn't. So what's the problem? That's a sprite fine. No, that's fine. That's the slot, which should be fine. Oh wait. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, the element is here, so the problem is positioning. Where are you going? Yeah, can't see that. Okay, let's see what's going on. Other than Haiti and 0. Okay, and then 100 and 1068 and 591. 591. Well, changing again. Huh. Okay, this is definitely wrong. I believe the problem is with the positioning code. Let's see. Set position. Oh, I know what the problem is. Okay, so this is correct. What's wrong is the dialog code. Where is my dialog? Here it is. Okay, yeah, the problem is that I don't want this X because the position of the slot is relative to this widget, not the screen. So yeah, and I have to do that for left and right because they're low-level images. Okay, but I will change that later. Now let me delete all these breakpoints. Okay, this should work now. Let's see. And it doesn't. Oh, come on. Oh, and this is 0, of course. Yeah. Yeah, great. Okay. I wasted a bit of time for something stupid, but that's fine. Okay, now that I have, oh, let's try how it plays. Adding more slots. You can die. Screen game. Yeah, let's a few more slots. It should get bigger. Yeah, it got bigger. Cool. Nice. Okay, that's working. That's good. Let's see. What I was thinking to do is to change these images to SGUI images. So I can unify the positioning. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna need that. But anyway. And I'm gonna need that. Image is taking a parent. Okay. Well, maybe let's see. Yeah, I think I can add. Well, too much work now. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna change things here. I don't need these anymore, but I need image.h. Okay, that's fine. And I have to change this a little. I'm not gonna do these anymore, and I'm not gonna do these anymore like that. It's gonna be text. Now I need text pointer, because text. Okay. So this is gonna be a new new image, and I can pass texture and pointer to these. Left BG is going to be right BG. Okay, it's going to be the same, but with this other ID here. Yeah, and it's going to be the same. It's going to be the same, but okay, we right. And I believe I don't need to do this anymore because I'm all using widgets right now, so the size should be automatically updated. So this is gonna change as well. I guess I'm not gonna need these. Let's see, 0. Yeah, I believe the, oops. Yeah, I'm not gonna need these. I'm not gonna need the render method anymore. Rendering should be handled. I'm not sure if yeah, well, I have to reposition stuff. Let's see. Okay, that seems to work. Let's try with screen game. Yeah, let's add a few more slots. Yeah, for fun, I'm just changing the function. Cool. It's getting bigger. Okay, looks good. That's good. Then okay, let's delete these. I don't need it. Now I need to add a button to close the dialog. Let's see how to do that. Oh no, I don't need that now. Yeah, it's gonna be up there. And this is a 10, I believe. Yeah, 10 pixel width. Okay, what was the area here? Let's see. One stroke. Yeah, it was 20 by 20. Go. Yeah, okay. Actually starting from these. Yeah, okay. So it's center from the inner border. Okay, that's fine. Gonna leave this here for now. Let's see how to do that. I believe I have a game button. Yeah, I have a game button class. Huh. It's an old one though. Yeah. It's not. Yeah, it does seems it doesn't have support for yeah, doesn't have supports for the texture maps. Unless no, it doesn't. Okay, that's annoying, but let's see. So, yeah, I cannot reuse these. What's elements? Yeah, I actually need something simpler anyway, because these X is not gonna change. It's it's more an icon than a button. Well, thinking about it, let's see the image class. I might just use an image actually. Yeah, and then it's a widget. Yeah, the problem with using an image straight away is that I have I have to subclass it anyway, because I mean probably makes more sense to subclass an image than a button, because I don't need the full the full button support. I just need to do something when the image is click. I don't need to show any state, any change of state, which is something the button does. Yeah, even if with the button class, I already have support for the onClick function, the programmatic click. So for example, in code, I can close the dialog. Well, I'm thinking about that. I should probably have created a dialog class in my simple GUI to have generic functions. But yeah, well, maybe I'll do it if yeah, I'll do it later. for now I'm just going to implement some. Yeah, and there's no point in creating something generic when you only have one dialog. At least for now, I need things done. Let's see. Set ground. Set current background. Yeah. Okay, and set size, because that's what I need. It's protected. Okay, so I have to subclass a push button class anyway, because I need set size to be set to 20 by 20, because these, I mean, the X here is only 10 by 8, so yeah, I need something bigger. And if I basically the problem right now is that if I just use this image for the push button is going to be 10 by 8. Instead, what I want is a 20 by 20 button with the X at its center. Okay, I'm gonna do that. But before doing that, yeah, I'm gonna go for yeah, well, 5 minutes break. Yeah, something like that. I have to put something on screen because last time I left the screen unattended and like just static. Google cut my stream because of copyright infringement or something. But yeah, anyway, I'll have a short break, drink something, and I'll come back and implement the exit button. Okay, I needed an extra minute to feed my cat. Let's see. Where was I? Okay. Let me check. Oh yeah, I was saying I need to implement close button. Okay, let's do that. Button. How can I do this? Okay, ideally this is gonna be refactored into a dialog class. This is gonna be yeah, this is gonna be all GUI code, but for now I'm gonna keep it in game. Okay, so button, yeah, I'll create a button there and yeah, I'll create a button there that you can resize and set an icon in the center. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, something simple. Touch button close dialog.h.cpp. Let's see. Okay, someone's asking me something in on Discord. Let's see. Yeah, and someone else is calling me. Yeah, it's a busy stream. Okay, question was about rendering of the UI, and now right now, yeah, the UI is just like logic on top of the graphic layer. So yeah, I have these graphic elements here. There are low-level stuff for low-level rendering, and on top of that, there's the simple GUI. So that's mostly logic that's putting this stuff, using this stuff for doing something more organized. Okay, answer that. Let's see, where was I? Oh yeah, the button. I have to add the file to my CMake file name to the CMake file. Here it is. Button. Here it is. CPP. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can. Yeah, I don't want to use. I cannot use the game button for these, so I have to go and copy stuff from the game button. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have that. Well, okay, yeah, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna keep that. I don't need the array. There's not gonna be much happening in this button anyway. Button close dialog. Okay. Private. And then I'm gonna copy well, not much, just that. Close dialog. This is gonna get parent for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna need a parent, which is gonna be the dialog. Here it is. And I'm gonna have, this time I'm gonna use low level image for the icon. Okay, this is good. Why are you complaining? Leave graphic image. Do you want? Oh, right. It has to be a pointer. Okay, that's a star. Oh, and then I want then I want well, actually I'm gonna use the constructor for setting the button dimension. It makes sense because I don't think it's gonna change anyway. Okay, can copy these and go to the CPP file. Yeah, it's definitely quicker. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is my implementation. I was thinking maybe I can pass the texture straight to the button. Let's see. Okay, sorry. Well, I'll see in a second. Because what I need here is an image. Okay. Yeah, I mean, makes sense. In the end, it's going to be a single. It's going to be a single image anyway. Yeah, well, this is not. It's not going to be anything flexible, but it's okay. Yeah. We land texture. Texture, bad spelling. Back icon. And by the way, parent. Let me move the parent at the end. So usually convention for GUI code. Okay. Yeah, you can go down the second line. Same here. Yeah, makes sense. Unused parameter. Yeah, of course, I'm not using them yet. And then I can create icon. I can create a new graphic image. Wait, and I can pass text icon straight away. Yeah, I have a constructor with a texture. Okay, good. And then it's going to be set size. It's going to be W and H, because that's going to be the size of the button. Here, I'm going to delete the icon. And I also have to implement the render function and the function for handling the position change, because now I'm using low level elements like an image. Okay, so let's do that. Dialog new unit. Yeah, I need these. Is override, and then I need on render override. Thank you, creator. Sandy. Okay, you can die. Okay, the render is gonna be really easy. Just gonna be render this image. Then the position is gonna be, I'm gonna center the icon in the button, and to do that, yeah, I probably want to change these. Yeah, I've changed these. I'll do it later, because basically I don't want to use this handle or handle method here. this is a callback basically. I don't want to use that callback for repositioning the elements because they're all widgets now. Well, I'll do that later anyway. Okay, now we get the positional screen, and icon X is going to be simple code for centering the icon in the middle of the button. It's going to be Y, and it's going to be height. Okay, and then it's going to be position in the icon. No, set, not get, set position, icon X, icon Y. Okay, this is gonna position the icon. Oh yeah, I forgot these. I mean everything from push button. Yes. And I'm gonna pass the parent. I believe that's the only one. Yeah, that's the only parameter. Okay. Okay, so we have the button. I'm creating the image for the icon. I'm placing it in the middle, in the center of the button area. I'm rendering the icon, so I should have everything needed for doing this basically. Okay, for showing this. Okay, let's see. Now it's time to go to the dialog. Yeah, I need to add the button to the dialog. So button close. Okay. Well, don't need to copy that. Button close dialog. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to change these. I'm gonna call it reposition elements. Yeah. Yeah, because basically the function that I was implementing before was being called every time the dialog was moved, but I don't need it because now all the elements are widgets, so their position is going to be handled by the GUI anyway. I don't need to react to anything. I don't need to do anything when the position of the dialog changes. Okay, this makes more sense now. Let's go to the button. And for button, we have to do something similar here. It's gonna be new button close dialog, and I have to get a texture. Yeah, this ID. Okay, button close dialog. I'm gonna pass. Okay, texture, dimension, and parent. Okay, it's gonna be text, and then int button size gonna be 20 by 20, and then this is gonna be the parent. And okay, I'm going to have to position close button. The position here is going to be, okay, I want to get to the end. Yeah, I'm going to get to the end minus the button. And then it's going to be 0. Okay, now ideally we should see the button. See, yeah, it's kind of there. Huh, grayish, why? It's like it's covered. It seems like it's covered by the slot. Oh, I see. Yeah, because the slot is being created after the button. So, okay, I need something to move a widget to the front, which probably is a function I don't have because I never had to handle anything like this. But let's see, maybe I implemented something. Probably I didn't. Set size, no, it's gonna be in widget container. Yeah, I don't have anything. Okay, I have to implement a function for moving the widget, for moving any widget to the front. Let me see. Yeah, well, the simple one. Yeah, okay. Okay, widget C is a vector. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me check briefly. Okay, we'll check 1 second. Yes, swap the contents. I don't really want to swap anything. Yeah, I guess what I want to do is just calling arrays and then insert. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Yeah, don't see a better way of doing that right now. And by that, I mean moving something to the front. Okay, widget container, void move child to front. Okay, and all these because basically I'm implementing stuff as long as I go with development. I'm not creating the perfect UI code from the beginning, because otherwise I'd end up having a lot of code that maybe I will never use. In this case, I'm implementing things when I need them. And for game development, I believe it's the best approach, especially if you're a single solo developer working on a big project like a game. Okay, we'll try to the front. Yeah, I want to do these basically. I want to, yeah, well, first I need to check. I need to check if the element is in there. If it's not, do nothing. Question on YouTube, vector might not be the best container. Well, that's a theory, yes. If you move a lot of stuff, a list might be better, but the reality is that vectors are the best container almost always because of the memory, because the memory in vectors is contiguous, so you get faster access anyway, and moving stuff now and then is not big deal. I actually did some benchmarking test, and I should have like an article on my blog, my private blog about that. But the reality is that when there are few elements, and you know, like using a vector, I mean, when in general using a vector is almost always better. So in this case in particular, where there's going to be like very few elements, I'm sure a vector is gonna outperform anything. But even if it doesn't, the difference is gonna be zero, because reordering, moving 3 elements is not going to be a problem. And keep in mind that the vector is allocating more memory anyway in advance, so you're not going to move memory, you're just going to, like, you're not going to reallocate memory, you're just going to move stuff, going to move pointers inside. But yeah, anyway, long story short, using a vector is the best thing you can do most of the times. Okay. Oh, hi. Yeah, hi, Samuel, by the way. I didn't know you were here. I hope it's not too late for you. So yeah. Okay, let's erase these. And then okay, remove widgets from children to front. Okay, it's gonna be widgets insert begin and W. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, a few seconds to compile. Now let's test this function in our dialog. Yeah, it's pretty late. Let's see, Sydney, fine. Okay, almost 3 a.m. for you, mate. Yeah, well, sleeping is cheating, right? But I hope you're not staying up for watching me. I mean, this is gonna be on YouTube anyway. I'm happy you are, but just don't kill yourself just for watching me. Where was I? Oh yeah, right. The dialog. Dialog new units. Yeah, basically every time we add a plot, we want to move child to front. We move to move the button close. Oh, and something I forgot to do was to register the image. Okay, that's something I need to do with low level stuff I'm using in widgets. Okay, good, I remember that. Okay, let's see now. Hopefully that's fixed. If not, I have to do something else. Okay. Oh, idiot. He has to go to the back, not to the front. Yeah, because now it's behind everything. Yeah, well. Okay. Why? Yeah, of course, because the first element is the one rendered first. Yeah, okay. I did something stupid, but it's no big deal, because I needed that function anyway. Is actually, no, I don't want to. Okay. I'm not gonna change these, I'm just gonna rename it here, basically. Okay, this is gonna go to the back, and that's fine. And this is gonna be the actual front. It's gonna be much better. Pushback. W. Yeah. Insomnia is a thing. Yeah. Yeah, recently I've been trying to go to sleep earlier and wake up like at 7-ish to work more before my day job. It's kind of working also because my cat is waking me up at any time in the morning. So yeah, and also I realized that I was not that much productive late at night anymore, so might make sense to try to sleep a bit more when it's late and work when it's early. But anyway, yeah, if you can sleep, well, I know I don't know how to fix that. I've been there and I never had a way to control it. There's been moments in my life where I just couldn't sleep. Okay, so now I implemented the right function. Yeah, it's in the front. Amazing, cool. It's there. You can click it even if the click is not doing anything right now. Okay, for today, ideally, I would like to close. I mean, for now, for this stream, I'm not gonna do the full dialogue. This is gonna take probably my whole afternoon. Maybe I will continue with the stream later. I don't know. But what I want to do now is to close the dialogue. When I push that close button, okay. How? Okay, first thing I need to decide if I want to destroy or just hide the dialog. Yeah, I think okay, that dialog is gonna come up. It's gonna come up a few times, not very often. Yes, definitely not very often because I don't expect the user to create too many units. At least main units. So I might destroy it. Okay, if I'm going to destroy it, I have to schedule the destruction basically. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to risk to mess up the memory. Okay. Um, Let me think. I need a pointer to dialog in the screen anyway. So let's start with that. Dialog new unit. UI stuff is in here. Come on. Misspelling null pointer is bad. Okay, let's see. This part of game, yes. Class. Okay, it's gonna be here. It's gonna be here. If okay, it's gonna be something fun now. Yeah, as expected. Now I'm adding a slot every time I click the button. Okay, fine. But I don't want to do this. What I want to do instead is this. Yeah. Like these for sure I will need. These I'm gonna keep it as a reminder because I will need to do that when I finish the dialog basically. Oh, and by the way, for the people who join later, just a quick reminder, what I'm doing, I'm implementing this dialog, which is going to be the dialogs that you get when you select your base and you want to create a new unit. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, at least part of it. What I got so far is just the creation of the basic dialog, just the background and the close button, and I'm going to add the what's left later. Okay. Let's see. How to destroy elements. Okay, right now I don't have it would be useful to have something like the Qt framework, a delete later function. Yeah, I will need something like a delete later function in my GUI library, the GUI, yeah, the GUI library. But right now, well, I don't really handle events, GUI events, do I? Yeah, I don't. Okay, so that's not something quick to implement right now because I have to change some stuff. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna go for something simple for now. I'm gonna create a vector of, let's see if I already have, no, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna create a vector in space as GUI and class widget. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a bit. I'm gonna create a vector of widgets to delete. Let's do widgets to delete. And in my, where is it? In my update function, yeah, I'm going to delete them here. Yeah, I can do it like that, and then clear the vector. Delete W, and then clear. For deletion. Okay, ideally this should happen somewhere in the application or UI codes. I mean, something more low level, but for now I'm handling it here. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the dialog. Okay, where is my dialog? Here it is. And I'm gonna add set function on close. And this is gonna be, oh, let me delete these as I don't need it anymore. Bye, Samuel. I hope you can sleep. Okay. Oh yeah, glad you make it. Glad you made it here. Okay, let's see. What I wanted to do. Dialog new unit. Oh yeah, I wanted to go here, push button. Here it is. I want to pass this function. Okay, yeah, basically I'm gonna use a lambda for handling what happens when I click the close button. And right now I'm just propagating. Button close. Set on click function F. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. And then in screen game, yeah, here it is, screen game. Let's go back to where I create the dialog. Excuse me. Set function on close, and this is gonna be these. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to add this dialog yeah, well, it seems I don't need a pointer. Yeah. Yeah, after all, I don't really need this pointer, because I'm gonna handle the objects with that vector basically. Okay, so this one's going. Dialog. Okay. M widgets to delete. Okay. So yeah, I believe this will do it. Let's try. Okay. Is it gonna crash or not? Moment of truth. No, it works. Nice. Cool. Okay, so I can create and destroy these. Now, let's see. One problem. Yeah, maybe I still need that pointer, because otherwise I have no way to know if the dialog has been created or not. Any other way I can do that? Nah, not really. Okay. Damn. I have to change this again. Yeah, minor thing, but still. So, don't need these. I need these. Oh, at least I didn't move these lines before. Okay, let's see. Cool, that's working. Ah, maybe I can make these. I can let the user move these. Oh, maybe not. Oh. Okay, cool. Okay, this is done. I believe I'm gonna end the stream for now. Maybe I'll continue later. I don't know, but I'm gonna prepare something for lunch. So I did what I wanted to do. Yeah, I mean, it's a long way to get here, to get to there, here, like these dialogue, but it's been a good progress for a couple hours. Oh, let me check. Yeah, okay, good. The button is covering the whole area. Okay, I want to make sure of that. Okay, I'm not creating a million of dialogues, otherwise the background here will be completely solid. Okay, sounds good. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna finish the stream now. Thanks for watching, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy this, so you will get an email or a notification next time I do one. So yeah, and make sure to follow my project. If you like strategy games, soon it will be on Steam. So yeah, it's all for now. Maybe I'll see you later. Bye.